Hello, friends. So I hope everyone is enjoying the Technofunda analysis video of stocks. So in the last week video, like MTAR Tech, it has given around 24% return in just 4 days, and even Avanti Feeds had given around 15% return in yesterday. So this is how we are analyzing stocks for Technofunda analysis. And just immediately after breakout, or if a stock is trying to give a breakout, we just post a video on Technofunda analysis so that the viewers can get benefit out of it and they don't get stuck in the position. So the purpose of Technofunda is not to give buying or selling recommendation, but just to give an update on the and just to update the viewers what position or what stocks they can track for upcoming days or weeks. So this is about the Technofunda analysis video. In today's video, I will discuss about one more stock, and this is my portfolio stock, and I have been holding it for long term now, more than 1 year. So I have updated on Twitter as well about this. So as you can see, the TC by T tables, I had positioned at around 9,500 average buying price, and today it had crossed. It had its high. It made a high of 19,500, which means the return is around 100% or more. So as you can see here, which is 9,500 buying and 19,000 high, so which is roughly around 100% or exactly 100% return in long term, or in just I would say 1.5 year of my holding. So those who think the stock, so the stock price is 19,000 and I had bought at 9,500. So at that time also I have updated a few members to buy that stock, ले लो stock, ये कर लो वो कर लो. But I think hardly anyone had bought it because they were of the expectation that ये stock बहुत महंगा है और कितना ही चल जाएगा. 95,000, 9,500 का है, 10,000 रुपीज का है. But just remember one thing: MRFB at one point of time it was at 100. At one point of it was 1,000, 10,000, and then 90,000. Directly वो 90,000 नहीं गया from 1,000. So stock moves up gradually. It doesn't jump from like say 1,000 to 90,000. So it's important to buy quality, and जो quality है that will be expensive always. If you buy Apple iPhone or some Apple products, then their products are expensive. Even the company says that because only the people who value about their product will buy it, not everyone. So this is about the market psychology. Why should trader buy, even buy expensive stock? Even I have uploaded stock technofund market analysis video. I have updated about Honeywell automation and Bosch, which were also expensive. At that time also I got the same comment कि भाई ये 40,000 का स्टॉक है, ये 13,000 का है, कैसे बाय करे कि या इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि आप लोग मतलब पूरा कैपिटल घुसा दो उसके अंदर. बट यू कैन एटलीस्ट, if you have 1 lakh rupees, then you can at least buy one or two shares, probably not more than that. Because रिटर्न तो आपको 10 रुपए के शेयर में भी अगर 10% का रिटर्न मिलता है, डेट इज 11 रुपीज. एंड इवन 10,000 के स्टॉक पे भी अगर आपको 10% का रिटर्न मिलेगा, डेट इज 11,000. सो रिटर्न परसेंटेज will be same everywhere if you have proper trading plan. Then even a stock with 1 lakh rupees value can become double or 10x if the company is good. So this is about the market psychology, and traders should look for this कि कोई महंगा नहीं सस्ता नहीं होता. If you have proper trading plan, then just go and execute the trade. So this is about the tasty bites. So let's start with the Technofunda analysis video because some of the viewers had asked for this, and I have opened the technical charts right now. So अभी यहाँ पे हम दो लाइंस देख रहे हैं, रेड एंड ब्लू लाइन. सो जस्ट इग्नोर red line right now. So the point at which I have bought this stock was at this breakout, this one. So this was a breakout. During this breakout I have bought this particular stock, and जब वो क्रैश आया था इन फेब इन लास्ट ईयर, तब मैंने इसको एवरेज कर दिया था, एंड माई एवरेज प्राइस बिकम 9,500 आफ्टर दैट, क्योंकि इसका लो भी अराउंड 7,500 के आसपास था तभी. सो आई हैव एवरेज इट एंड 9,500 का एवरेज हो गया था. बट आई ट्रेडेड सेम टेक्निकल पैटर्न and fundamentals were also good. So basically I am able to get a decent return on it. I will not book my profit in this. I will hold it for long term now because I like their business particularly. So अभी इसका टेक्निकल चार्ट देखेगा तो इसका ये जो ब्रेकआउट है, द ब्रेकआउट, it gave a break up attempt here, and because of the crash or pandemic crash, which we say the breakout failed, it went down. Again, it gave a breakout here, it failed again, then again it gave a breakout, and then the rally started, and the stock had almost doubled after that. So ब्रेकआउट भी होगा, फेलियर भी होगा, ऐसे नहीं कि every stock will start its rally after breakout. It's okay if your stop loss is hit or something like that, but you should trade another breakout also. In this case, if you check, अगर जिसने ये breakout लेके if a trader had booked around 20% loss, बट फिर अगर ये ट्रेडर ने यहाँ पे ब्रेकआउट अगर ट्रेड नहीं किया होता तो ही वुड हैव मिस्ड अराउंड 80 to 90% रिटर्न इन शॉर्ट टर्म. So breakout and failure is part of trading. So this is just a this and this will happen in any markets, be it crypto, currency market, or stock market, anything, it will happen. So right now, the best price, if I would say to buy the stock, will be at this level, 11,100. If it retraced it, but there is very less chance for the stock to come down to that level, I would say. So another best level to buy this particular stock is, I will just remove the unnecessary drawings in this. So as you can see here, अभी यहाँ पे this was the resistance for the stock. Again, this was the resistance. This was again the resistance. It broke out this level, and then it retraced back to this resistance level. So possibly the good price to buy this stock will be on this particular retracement that will happen. Suppose in any upcoming days, and probably after some more days, weeks or months, this line will move upwards. So इसका जो buying price will change. थोड़ा थोड़ा ऊपर जाएगा ये भी. So अभी as of now from current price, the buying price will be around 15,250. If it retraces back, and in upcoming days the level will move ahead. So just keep this in mind, and just track this particular stock if you are keen to invest in this. So the best price will be around 15,250, not best price but a good price to buy this stock. And if we check one more setup, so I will share a Fibonacci retracement in this case. So this was the high before the breakout, and this was the low just in this consolidation phase. So as you can see, the stock had achieved this 2.1618 per target, and now the next target will be 3.618. So which is around 21,792, which will be my next target in TST by T table. And a good stock, good price to buy is at this particular Fibonacci retracement level only. Don't buy in between. So this is about the target of Tasty Bites if anyone is holding this particular stock. And the next target after 21,790 is 24,318. So this is about the stock. Those who are holding, those who are not holding, don't be in hurry to buy this particular stock, because you might get stuck in this position. So buy at appropriate levels only. And one more thing the stock is following very often is the Fibonacci retracement in uptrend. This was the uptrend of the stock. So most of the time the stock tries to consolidate near 38.2% level. Again, if we check after this, I will check here again. So for this rally, the stock had retraced till 61.8% level. This was the rally. So again, after this, if I consider this high, then stock had retraced till 23.6 percentage, as you can see. And now also, if I consider this as a top for the stock now, so then appropriate level to buy will be this Fibonacci level, which is 16,650, 14,900, which is 23.6%, 38.2% for Tasty Bites retracement or based on Fibonacci retracement. So this is the buying price that one can look for Tasty Bite. But I would suggest to buy at appropriate levels only at around 15,000 or 14,000 in this range. Don't buy immediately. Wait for some time. So let's check the fundamentals of the company. So again, the stock price, as we know, it is 18,000, around 18,500. The stock P is 123. Many will shout it is overvalued, this and that, but that doesn't matter if if the company is really good. If we check the profit and loss, so the company's profit is increasing. and also the company's net profit has increased year on year. In EPS has also increased. If you check the balance sheet, then company's reserves is increasing. In borrowings, they have took some borrowings in last 2 years, and they are increasing borrowings. Suppose if in case reserves is becomes less than borrowings, then I will exit my position in Tasty Bite. But I will watch this closely for particularly next fiscal what happens in this. If you check investors holding, then promoter holding is around 74.2%, and it is almost the same for around for many years now. FIs are increasing stake from quarter on quarter from 1.5% to 3.64, 3.67 percentage in this case. And one more interesting thing about the business is the company is in ready to eat or selling prepared food items, and it is a really interesting business and have good growth in tier 1 cities and tier 2 cities. The company's closest competitors is Tata Consumers and ITC. So they are also selling ready-to-eat food item. So they are the closest competitors for Tasty Bite Eatables in the particular business. But the company is also focusing on innovating and uh, manufacturing new, bringing out new items, food items in the market. So the company is good fundamentally. If we check promoter pledging, then the promoters are having 0% pledge in this particular stock. If we see now, so as you can see, the promoter pledging is zero in this particular company. So yeah, this is about Tasty by Teachable. And if you are benefiting from this videos, then you can hit the like button for this video as well. And if you want us to cover any stock techno funda analysis, then you can mention it in the comment section. Also, don't forget to share it with your friends and relatives, and also subscribe to our channel if you want more informative videos in the future. So this is all about the today's video. There is a disclaimer also. Thank you, guys.